You're a small business owner, maybe running a bustling cafe, a trendy boutique, or a cozy hawker stall. Every transaction matters, every penny counts. And in today's digital age, cashless payments are king. You embrace them, of course, because they're convenient, fast, and what your customers prefer. But then a question starts to nag at you, a subtle whisper that grows louder with each successful digital payment. How much of this is really mine? We're talking about Grabpay, one of Southeast Asia's most ubiquitous digital wallets. Millions of users, seamless transactions, integrated into a super app that handles everything from rides to food delivery. It sounds like a dream for merchants, right? More customers, faster checkouts, less cash to handle. But behind every tap and scan, there's a cost. A percentage. A slice taken out of your hard-earned revenue. For many merchants, especially those new to the digital payment ecosystem, understanding these fees can feel like navigating a maze. Are they fixed? Do they vary? Does Grabpay take the same cut from a small coffee order as it does from a large grocery haul? These are crucial questions, because that percentage directly impacts your bottom line, your pricing strategy, and ultimately, your profitability. So, let's pull back the curtain on Grabpay's merchant fees. It's not a single, universal percentage. Instead, it's a dynamic structure that depends on several factors, primarily the type of Grab service you're utilizing. For Grabpay's digital wallet transactions themselves, where a customer simply pays for goods or services using their Grabpay balance, the fees are generally quite low. In countries like Singapore, for instance, it's reported to be around 13 cents plus 2.2% for in-person transactions and 13 cents plus 2.8% for online payments. In Malaysia, it's lower, at 13 cents plus 1.5%. This is often considered competitive with, if not better than, traditional credit card processing fees, which can range from 2.5% to 4%. However, the picture changes significantly when you factor in other Grab services that rely on the Grabpay ecosystem, particularly GrabFood and GrabMart. For these delivery services, Grab operates on a commission model. This is where the percentage can jump considerably. Reports indicate that GrabFood merchant commissions typically range from 15% to 30% of the order value. This higher percentage covers not just the payment processing, but also the extensive logistics network, delivery rider payments, platform maintenance, customer service, and the marketing reach that Grab provides. In some instances, for smaller orders or specific promotions, Grab might even temporarily reduce its commission or absorb certain costs to support merchants. It's important to note that a substantial portion of this commission from food and mart orders often goes towards compensating the delivery partners. Grab has publicly stated that they use a large part of the merchant commission to pay their delivery partners above and beyond the delivery fees customers pay, ensuring fair earnings. The remainder covers operating costs, transaction fees, like credit card charges for top-ups, and platform improvements. Then there's Pay Later, Grab's Buy Now Pay Later option. If you offer pay later installments or pay later postpaid, the merchant fees are generally higher, around 13 cents plus 6% in Singapore and Malaysia. This higher rate reflects the added convenience and credit risk management that Grab undertakes by allowing customers to pay over time. Finally, while this doesn't directly impact the merchant's received amount, it's worth mentioning that Grab has started imposing a 1% fee on Grabpay wallet top-ups made with credit cards in some regions. A move that aligns with other e-wallet providers. This is a fee charged to the user for topping up their wallet, not directly to the merchant for receiving payment. So, how many percent does Grabpay take from a merchant? It's not a simple number. For direct Grabpay wallet transactions, it's a relatively small percentage, often below 3%. But if you're leveraging Grab's full ecosystem for delivery services like GrabFood or GrabMart, the commission can be much higher, ranging from 15% to 30%, with a significant portion going to delivery partners. And for pay later options, expect around 6%. Understanding these distinctions is key for any business operating within the Grab ecosystem to accurately calculate their costs and set their prices strategically. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.